Hi, this is Steve Banbury. I'm Head of Digital Learning and Innovation at Just Dubai. I've been asked to give a little walkthrough as to how I've been using Engage to deliver professional development sessions for educators around the world inside virtual reality. So here we go. This is inside the Engage platform here. I'm just setting up a room, putting a password on the room so that only the delegates that are registered for the session can actually access it. And here we go. So the room I'm loading up to start with is the lecture hall space, which is the one that I used in June to deliver the first professional development session. So you can see I've got full control of my avatar. I'm recording this obviously in first person. I can walk up to the blackboard and I can write on the blackboard in various colours. I can actually then take a screenshot of the screen if I wanted to. This is where the audience sits. So the audience members will join either from an Oculus Rift or an HTC Vive or directly from a PC. As the host, I can bring up this virtual tablet, which allows me to do lots of cool stuff, including importing links. So I've got this link here to a PowerPoint that I've got stored on OneDrive, and you'll be able to see that loads up within the experience so that people can follow along with the presentation, and I have control of the presentation via the tablet. So some of the other features within Engage that I've got access to, I can load up this interactive skeleton activity within the lecture hall if I want to. I can record the session as a full VR experience and then play it back. I can load up various lessons, including this amazing one within the lecture hall with Neil deGrasse Tyson, and I can change locations, which we'll come back to in a moment. The other amazing thing that I can do is to import 3D models and manipulate them. So let's just choose one here. So there you go, you can see I've got the lion. I can manipulate the lion in terms of its position in the room. I can use the Vive controller to push it further away from me or bring it closer towards me, and I can also resize the lion. So I can go from kind of a regular size lion to something a little bit more enormous. Conversely, what I could do is take the lion, shrink it right down, and put it into the palm of my hand. So let's just try that again. Let me bring in one of the other models. The category here is the ancient Greek artifact, so let me bring in a statue. I can then manipulate this, move it to the position that I want, resize it, and then lock it in place, and then move around it freely inside VR. So I'm going to jump to the back of the lecture hall just to give you an idea of the scale that I can take these models to. So here you can see the lion again. And finally, what I'm going to demonstrate is how I can use the tablet to change the location. So if I did this with a group of people in the session with me, they would all come with me. So let's just jump to another room. So this is jumping into the boardroom space. And that's real time, so it gives you an idea of how quickly the transition takes place. So this space is set up for a boardroom. Again, I could import the PowerPoint presentation or another URL. Let's just jump again. Let's go to the moon base. And there we go, and the moon base, which has got multiple places where you can import the presentation. So that's just a quick look at how I've been using Engage to deliver professional development sessions for educators around the world. There's going to be more of these sessions over the coming months. I'm looking to do one every month. If you want to find out more about them, then follow me on Twitter, Steve_Banbury. Follow VR Education as well for more updates in terms of the progress with the Engage platform over the coming months. Yeah, get involved, come and join us. It's an unbelievable experience.